Hi, today I'm HardReset Galaxy F14 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So just we should hold for a while the application and drag this app to another one, and by this way we just successfully created a new home screen folder. By the same way we can hold for a while the another apps and drag them to our folder, or just to open the folder click to this plus icon and just to add the another applications on our device. Then just click to done, and now we can see that we just successfully add the new applications to our folder. If you want to give the name or rename the folder, just click once on the name and enter the new one, tap to done, and now we can see that we just successfully give a name to our folder. Also we got one more way how we can rename it. Just hold it for a while and click here to this edit icon. Just by this way we can rename it. To move folder here on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it by this way. And if you wanna remove the application from here, you should just hold it and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the home screen from the folder, you should hold it and tap to remove icon. But don't worry, you will stay with this application in the apps menu. Also, if you want, you can select the applications, the couple of apps, and to remove them from your home screen, to uninstall them, or just to create a new folder just by select them, tap to the right upper corner to create the folder. And to remove all of the applications just with what was the folder, we should click to remove, or also we can select a couple of folders in one tab and create the new one from them, or just to remove them together. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.